Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Miss Sara. I will teach you today grammar lesson, okay? It's called comparative and superlative, okay? We will start with the comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives, now I want you to open the grammar book, page 95, okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. For example, when do I use comparative adjectives? When I compare between two people or two things or two animals, okay? For example, the boy is tall and the girl is short, right? So the boy is taller than the girl, okay? Let's see the next one. What can you see? The boy is small, but the girl is smaller. So the boy is big, okay? So what I will say? I will say that she is smaller than him, right? Okay, let's see the next one. For example, he is light, but she is lighter. So I will say she is lighter than him, and so on. Okay, let's see the last one. He is carrying the heavier box. So this is two boxes, okay, or two books. Okay, let's start. Let's read these examples together. Okay, number one, Kate is taller than Nancy. Right? Can you see Kate? She is Kate here. And this is Nancy. So who is taller? Kate. So Kate is taller than Nancy. Okay, I want you to be careful for the colors of the colors. Okay, Harry is thinner than Oliver. Okay, so this is Harry. Harry is thinner than Oliver. I compare between two. The next one, the car is faster than the bike. Okay, do you see? It's the car is faster than the bike. Okay, let's see. I want you to focus. What is written with the red color? Huh? Yes, ER, ER, ER. So when I compare, I add what? ER to the adjective. Then what is written with the green one? Than. Okay, so let's see how I will form it. Okay, we use the comparative to compare two people, animals, or things. Okay, let's start one by one. In the short adjectives, what short adjectives? Like it's that have one syllable. What's the meaning of syllable? Syllable means, for example, you have short, the word short, okay? Do you hear how many vowels? Short. So you hear just one vowel. This is called one syllable, okay? You understand? But when I say beautiful, do you hear how many? B-U-T-ful. So 4 syllables. Do you understand? You hear how many vowels? So let's start with the short one. The one vowel. You hear one vowel. Okay. Like long, short, long and hard. So you hear just one vowel. Okay. We add, what we will do? We add ER to the adjective. Plus than. Of course, you know the meaning of adjective, right? Adjective when I describe any noun. Small, big, tall, short. This is called adjective. So I add ER plus than. Let's faster than, slower than, and so on. Okay, let's see the next. So these are the examples. Long, it will be what? Longer than. Okay, so I add ER than. Short, it will be shorter than. Hard, harder than, and so on. Okay. Okay, we said in the short adjectives, so what will we do? It has 3 cases. The short adjectives have 3 cases, okay? Spelling rules. Let's see. If it ends with E, the first case, if it ends with E, what I will do? There is E. There is E. So what I will do? There is already E. So I will not add another ER. No, I will just add the R. Okay, like this one, close. So close, it ends with E. I will not add ER again, no, just R. Do you see? R, then than. Closer than, closer than. Wide, it will be wider than. Add only R. Let's see the second case. CVC. Do you remember what the meaning of CVC? consonant, vowel, consonant. Excellent. Okay, so let's see. If it ends with the CVC, what I will do? I will double the last letter. Do you remember the ing and so on? It's the same. I will double, then add er than. So like big, it adds CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. So I will say bigger than. I double the G, the last letter. Okay, let's see the next. Consonant and Y, when it ends with Y, but I will look at the letter before it. Is it consonant or vowel? If it's consonant, I will add what? I will do what? I will cross Y and add I-E-R. Okay? Like what? Heavy. What I will do? I will cross the Y and put I-E-R than. Okay, like tidy, it will be tidier than. I will cross the Y and put I-E-R than. Okay, do you understand? So these are the three cases of the short adjectives that have one syllable. Let's see the long adjectives. Okay, in the long adjectives that have two or more syllables, as I told you, beautiful and so on. Okay, so what will we do? We will not er than, no. We will add more before the adjective and then after the adjective. Okay, so the adjective here, beautiful, for example, I will add more beautiful than. Do you understand? So let's see the examples. Beautiful, more beautiful than. Okay, exciting, what I will do? More exciting than. You understand? Okay, let's see. Of course, each rule has its irregular. Okay, so in the irregular adjectives, like what? Of course, you will remember them like this. You will remember good, so I would say better than. Okay, like what? We write them plus than. Good, better than. Okay, you have to remember it. Bad, worse than. Far, further, or farther than. Okay, I will not follow any rule, not er, not more. I will just do this. Better than, worse than, further or farther than. Another, much and many and a lot of and lots of. All of them, how I will form the comparative more than. I will just more than. Okay, a little, it will be less than. A few, it will be fewer than. Okay, so you have to remember them. Write them in a paper or in your book, okay, because you have to remember them like this. Okay. There is another thing, you compare between two people or two things or two animals, but they are the same. They are the same. Not someone is tall, someone is short, no. They are the same length, okay, or the same height. For example, we use as, then the adjective, then as, when the two people or animals or things are the same. They are the same. This is big and this is big. This is short and this is short. The same. So examples. The right, look at the picture here. Do you see the right tree and the left tree? The right tree is as tall as the left one. Do you see how it's very easy? As, then the adjective as it is, then as. Okay, this is when the same. Let's see the next. Now, this is the comparative adjective. So let's do an exercise and we will see if you get it right or no. Okay, and you have reward and you have punishment here if you make it wrong. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, no problem. Giraffes are tall horses. So of course, is this short adjective or long? Short. So what I will do, I will add er than. Taller than. Let's see the next. Elephants are big cows. Okay, so I want to say that the elephants is this short or long? Short, yes, because it's one syllable. So big, what I will do? Is it ends with E? No. Is it end with CVC? Look, yes, CVC. So what I will do, I will double the last letter. Super. I will double the last letter and add than. Okay, giraffes. So let's see. You make it right. I want you to hear. Okay, this sound is clapping. Okay, so thank you. Let's see the next one. Giraffes. Giraffes are beautiful snakes. Is it long or short? Long. Super. So what I will do? You will add ER then? No, wrong. You will have punishment. Okay, this is your punishment because you answered this wrong. Okay, please next time be careful. I want you to be careful, okay? Let's see. So we will go back. So it's long, so what will you do? I will add more than the adjective, then than. Okay, more beautiful than. Okay, let's see the next. Sheep are fat goats. Fat is long or short? Short. Super. So what I will do, I will add ER then as it is? No, I will double. Excellent. So I will double fatter than because it's CVC. Okay, snakes are dangerous hands. Dangerous, long or short? Long. Yes, it's long. It looks long. So what I will do, I will add ER than? No, you will not do the same mistakes. So the same mistake. More dangerous than. Okay, cows are slow lions. Slow. What I will do? Yes, I will add ER or I will say more. More? No, I will add ER than. Super. Okay. Do you remember why here is it CVC or no? It's CVC, but why I didn't double? Because the W is no T letter. If you remember the ing. Okay. Okay, no problem. So horses are loud giraffes. Okay, what I will do? Short. So it will be ER then. Excellent. Okay. Now we will move to, we finished the comparative adjective. Comparative adjective between two groups, two people, two things, two animals, that's it. Okay, superlative adjectives, what does it mean? Superlative means you compare one by many. Like what? Mo Salah is the best footballer in the world. Okay, so I compare Mo Salah among all the world footballers. Okay, so let's see. I want you open grammar book, page 98. Okay, like here, good, better, best, the best. Okay, big, bigger, the biggest. So let's see. I want you to read. Why do we use it? As I told you, we use it to compare one person, animal, or thing to two or many of them. Okay? طيب. We use after that, for example, okay, if there are many, after this, I will to continue my sentence, I will use in the world. Like Mo Salah is the best footballer in the world. So I said in the world. So this is to continue my sentence. In or off. Okay, like what? The whale is the biggest animal in the world. So do you see in the world, the whale? Okay, so it's the biggest animal. Okay, let's see these examples. The plane is the fastest transportation. Okay, so what is the fastest? The bike or the car or the plane? The plane. So I compare plane among the two. So what do you notice in the red? The before the adjective, and here EST after the adjective. Super. Okay, the next one, the mouse is standing on the biggest piece of cheese. Okay, do you understand? So what I will add, do you see in red, the before the adjective and est after it. Excellent. So this one when I compare one between many. Okay, let's see. Let's start one by one. In the short adjectives that have how many syllables? One syllable. Super. One syllable. So in the short adjectives, we add the before the adjective and est after it. Okay? Like what? The red. Do you see the pencils here? The purple and the green and the red. So who is the shortest? Who is the shortest one? The red. So the red pencil is the shortest one. I add the and est. Okay. So let's see the three cases. Do you remember them in the comparative? Yes. So let's see the three cases. If it ends with e, what I will do? I will add est again? No. I will just add st. Like what? Here. Okay, I have the example. Wait. Nice. It will be the nicest. I didn't add est. No. I just add st. Okay? And that before it, of course. The second case, if it ends with CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant, what I will do? The same. I will double the last letter. Super. Okay, double the last letter and add est at the end. Like big, it will be the biggest. I double the last letter. Okay, the last one, if it ends with consonant plus y. Okay, so what I will do, I will cross the y and put iest. So like this, easy, the easiest. I cross y and put iest. Okay. In the long one, what I will do, I will add the most. That's it. I will add the most before. Like this one, important, the most important. Okay. Famous, Ahmed Helmi is the most famous actor in Egypt, right? So most famous or most adjective, the most. In the irregular, we will remember them. Write them in the book. Good, the best. Bad, the worst. Far, the furthest or the farthest. Okay? Much, many, a lot of. Lots of, it will be the most. A little, the least. And a few, the fewest. Okay? The fewest. Let's see the exercise. And as I told you, if you did the mistake, you will have punishment. Okay, your pet ran fast. I want you to use fast. Of any pet in the race. I will do what? The fastest. Super. Okay. The next one, Joe. Okay, this one, the sound is clapping, so thank you. Number 2, Joe is smart boy in the class. Is it short or long? Long? No, not long. It's short. Excellent. So you will have the same punishment for you. Okay, let's do the next. So it will be, of course, short, and I will add only what? I will add the and est. Okay, number 3, Joan is the music teacher in my school. Good. Is it irregular or normal? No, irregular. So what I will do? The best. Super. Okay. Which is language of all to learn better? Best. Okay. And which fast? It will be the fastest. Small, the smallest. Bad, the worst. Excellent. And project, good, the best too. The most beautiful because it's long, and the most expensive because it's long. Thank you so much for listening.